Well, I was generally interested of sustainability. I wanted to acquire master's degree as well. So I thought combining these two were a perfect match for me. So that's why I chose the HAMK MSc program.
Our master's degree is focused on sustainability in management, so we are trying to shape the new leaders. Our program adds value to the life of our students by bringing in some extra knowledge and updating them with everything that is new on the market with regards to sustainability. All the requirements, but also all the new changes that happen nowadays.
Well, I think in general the master's degree does provide you many benefits professionally, and in my case it also offered new career opportunities.
Our program is suitable for everyone, starting from the low level of the usual worker up to the high level management.
I have to say that prepare to sacrifice your weekends and perhaps evenings as well. But on the other hand, you can choose your own study hours, so that is the great thing about this program. I think sustainability is something that should be in the toolkit of every business leader in the future. So HAMK is really doing its part in educating the new business leaders. So walk the talk, doing the right thing, as it is rooted in the sustainable values.